Hello and welcome to Unit 5. And so far, everything's going pretty well. Their videos are outstanding, and it continues to really help me get a grasp and understand, hey, these guys are actually understanding this. This is what they do, things, et cetera, et cetera. I did want to make you aware that there's two questions in the discussion this week. One question has to do with loops, and the second question has to do with kind of the difference between functions and procedures. And a lot of individuals don't necessarily wrap their head around what a function is and what a procedure is. So I really, really want you to focus in on that week, or this week. And we will kind of touch down on it. That'll be part of the micro lesson, and it'll be part of the discussion questions. And I just want you to kind of come to terms with that. If you had to get one thing out of this week, that would be the one thing to get. They're also kind of discussing what loop would be best used for this, so they get into the for next do while thing and kind of discussing things where that's concerned. So I think, this is Unit 5. There's only one unit left. One unit left. And so far, I've been pretty pleased with what you guys have been doing. Some of you are kind of moving between stations and things along those lines. You're keeping me informed. I appreciate that. All back work should be updated now. Took me a little while to get through that. It's once you enter things in, going backwards takes a little bit. So I think I got all that resolved. Please double check. Otherwise, thank you very much, and continue the good work. We'll see you during the week.